Gliding. Gliding is a phonological process where liquids like R and L sounds are replaced by glides like W and Y sounds. Yes, Y looks like a J when it's shown in parentheses. To reduce the process, you can practice liquid sounds. Let's start by practicing together. I'll say the word, and then you just repeat after me. First, let's talk about liquids. Liquids. Liquids are consonants that are produced with almost no air being stopped. Liquid consonants in the English language include R and L. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Dairy. Dairy. Dollar. Dollar. Oldest. Oldest. Salad. Salad. Churros. Churros. Road. Road. Old. Old. Read. Read. Roach. Roach. Forest. Forest. Ferret. Ferret. Laughing. Laughing. Piglet. Piglet. Rug. Rug. Log. Log. Reef. Reef. Loaf. Loaf. Luggage. Luggage. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Leaf. Leaf. You did a great job. If you still need help, that's okay. I'm here for you. Comment down below and ask me your questions. If you need help with specific sounds, check out my articulation speech sound playlist. There are tons of videos there to help you say your sounds. I'll see you soon. Bye.